going to move on to the news. So I've got kind of 6 short stories basically to tell you that's what's happened in the last 3 months. You probably guess what some of these are going to be. So the first one, Atlassian has become the title sponsor of Williams Racing. They've rebranded the car. It looks really cool. And I've got a short video for this as well.
We're gonna take on the world.
So we're pretty excited about this sponsorship. It's going to be really cool to see Atlassian's logo on all of the race cars. I can't wait for Monday.com to buy one of the other teams. So yeah, look out for Williams Racing in the next Formula One. And you'll see Atlassian. The next one is Trello has unveiled a new inbox, a planner, and AI capabilities. I bet you didn't see the AI coming, but I keep asking them when this is actually going to launch, because like we keep seeing all these sneak peeks about this feature, but we still haven't seen it. So it's supposed to be April this year. So next month you should see all these new features that I'm going to show you. I personally really like Trello. So they're releasing this inbox feature where you can send an email, you can raise a Slack message, and it will all go into this left column. And then you can actually move it across into your Trello board. And you can also see here a little bit, you can actually synchronize Jira tickets directly into Trello, which I think particularly I'm interested in, because there's a lot of teams like marketing where they maybe don't want to use Jira. They're comfortable with Trello. And I think this is going to be a big move. And I mean, the UI just looks really slick. And it's not just stopping at that. They're bringing out a new iPhone app, an Android app, which will actually let you manage all this stuff from Siri, for example. So you can ask Siri to raise like a Trello ticket, and it'll actually put that into a Trello board for you. So yeah, really kind of Trello hasn't seen many updates for quite a while now. It's good to see that they're continuing to invest in it. If anyone has any questions, just stop me. So yeah, you can use Hey Siri, Slack, messages, emails, and Jira issues all directly into Trello soon. And they've also got this new feature coming, which is a scheduling tool, a planning tool. So similar to the inbox, you can kind of drag your tasks into a Trello board there. I think it looks really good to me. So look out for that in April, which will line up exactly with when Teams is going to be on. So the next one is they've integrated, this was announced on Tuesday, I think, at the Atlassian High Velocity event. They're bringing AI to support. So it's going to use natural language processing to analyze emails and actually triage them for you automatically. So if you're involved in ITSM or service desk, this could be something that you find really useful. And I've got some GIFs of this as well. So you can see, you can kind of ask it for things and it can write those messages back to people for you. You can use Slack to raise tickets, and it has a virtual agent using AI, which will walk you through like the steps for the tickets. So really advancing JSM and making it connect with your sort of best of breed tool stack that you have. And I think this is, you can also summarize tickets, like so. So if you use JSM, I'd encourage you to try this out. I'm not sure if it has like a price attached to it or whether this is a premium feature. I'll have to check on that. And finally, this kind of chatbot tool, which lets you avoid your staff actually processing tickets and instead use AI to answer the tickets for you. And it integrates with things like Workday, which is kind of cool. It can integrate with your HR system and hopefully just sort of save you money and time in managing your HR. So yeah, lots of big advancements. This was the big announcement from Tuesday. This one's not so fun. Basically, Opsgenie was a separate product, but now it's being merged into Jira Service Management. Not much to say on this, except it's part of this kind of objective of getting everything on a few platforms, and then have Rovo as the kind of thing that goes through the whole thing. And the last piece of news I've got is Codegeist happened, and we knew in January who the winners were, and there was 4 winners, 4 first place winners, which I've got a few screenshots of here. So Vasil and his team, they made this tool for Compass, which actually gives you a drag and drop system to see how all your dependencies connect together. If you've used Compass before, you know that it's quite limited how you can like navigate your dependencies. So this is a really cool tool. It's on the marketplace. I'm not sure what the price is, but this came first place in the software development category. The next one is Campaign Analyzer from SaaSjet, who won first place in executive strategy and planning. If you're a marketer and you use Jira, this can connect your issues to, say, Google Analytics, so you can figure out what was your ROI on particular tasks that you did? Like, what was the impact of what you made? So again, this one's also available on the marketplace too. And the third one is called Runbook Rabbit, if I remember. Basically, if you use runbooks in your company, this can actually read them using Rovo and generate kind of tasks for you to do based on your runbooks in your company. And Julian is from Cybert Media. And finally, Capable also won first place in Teamwork Foundations for our Images app. So Confluence at the moment only lets you insert images from your hard drive. Capable Images lets you create a library of images that you can then insert to pages. And we won first place in the Teamwork Foundations section. So yeah, if you're struggling with image management and assets, then give it a go. And the last piece of news, Team 2025. I actually have some spare tickets to it, so if you're interested in going and you can cover the transport, then we won in Codegeist 4 tickets. So, and I already have a ticket because I'm a community leader. So, so yeah, Team 2025 is going to be awesome. If you can make it, it's in Anaheim, California. And I've got a little video, and then we're going to hand over to the speakers. If you're in Anaheim, I'll be there also, so come say hi.